In this video, I'm going to show you how to get alerts for new streams on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet and Twitter tracker. They also have a reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. You can trade perpetuals, you can go ahead and set your own presets and your own fees, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out. So to get alerts for new streams on Axiom, you want to hover over the pump live over here and you want to go to the live tracker. And then over here up top, you can see there's like this pump live settings cog icon. So click on this. And then here, there's now a new setting which says alert new streams with toasts. Just click on enable over here, the toggle button, and then as you can see, you can go ahead and set it. So here you can set the minimum market cap for the toast alert, okay? And then you can set that, and then the toast duration, and then the sound alerts as well. So if you want that, you can turn that on too or not. And down here, you also have the option to actually set the volume and the notification sound, okay? So after you're done, click on done over here, and you can already see my different basically alerts over here popping up. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.